We're about to get eaten by coyotes.
We're not going to get eaten by coyotes.
I'm scared.
I don't even know if you're even in the frame. There you are, because we can't see.
We're gonna die.
We're doing a...
We're going to the middle of the desert. And there's coyotes.
We're doing a full moon. We're doing a full moon, moonlit trail hike. The Fire Wave Trail at Valley of Fire. So excited, so beautiful. That's about all the talking we're gonna do for this one, just so you can see.
If I'm not back, I got eaten by a coyote.
He's not gonna get.
And he's gonna be full.
You're not getting eaten by a coyote. Anyway, I'll protect you. But that's.
I'll throw you at it and run.
That's nice. That's really nice. Anyway, so soak it in. This is stunning. See ya. They said it was an easy trail.
Right.
But I'm telling you, in the event, it actually said easy.
It's just marketing to get people here. To the truck, and nobody was eaten by a coyote. You were not eaten by a coyote. No, I was able to run away. He nipped, but I got away.